Mariano, our expedition leader, moved us away to a safer vantage point. We couldn't believe what we were seeing. Tons of ice were slowly rising out of Sierra Cove. The force of falling ice created an enormous wave that was headed our way, and Mariano sped away. When we looked back, this is what was left. The iceberg had rolled, and ice never seen before was glistening in the Antarctic sun. No one spoke. We had witnessed an awesome and, yes, somewhat frightening display of nature's force. It was an exhilarating experience. We asked expedition leader Mariano Curiel for more details.
Here in Sierra Cove, what we just saw was a whole big iceberg rolling around because it lost balance. We saw that iceberg in very good shape like the ones there. Now it's a totally new iceberg here. That's where we get all the ice around. All this ice wasn't here until after the iceberg rolled and broke off. We found a little piece of ice here, very clear one. That you can see some bubbles even inside. All this ice, this is very old, it's all compact ice. Everything started with snow. So the snow will get compressed by the snow on top. It will lose the air, and at the end it will be pretty much fresh water, frozen fresh water. Well, you can look inside here, some bubbles. That was air, that was the atmosphere thousands of years ago. And that's what the scientists used to study climate change and many other aspects of science.
Can you drink it?
You can drink it, it's pretty fresh than the water you get at home.